Hello my dear students, and this video is for class 8, and in this video we will discuss our new chapter which is linear equations in one variable. In this video we will also discuss our exercise 2.1, and so let's begin with exercise 2.1. Before starting exercise we will discuss algebraic expression which we have already learned in our lower classes. See, algebraic expressions are formed from variables and constant variables. You know that a, b, c, and so on, x, y, z, all are variables whose value varies. These are called variables, and constants are numerical values 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are constant which are fixed, never changes. Okay, variables whose value varies and constant whose value will become constant, same, not change. Okay, see, whenever these variables and constants we use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on the variables and constant to form expression. Okay, we use these operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with variables and constant to form the expressions. For example, 5x. Here you see that 5 is in 5 is constant and x is variable, and these two are combined with operation multiplication. 5 into x, it will become 5x. So this is an algebraic expression is combination of constant variable with four operation: multiplication, addition, division, or subtraction. So these are the example: 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1 y plus y square. All are the algebraic expression. Next term is linear expression. What is linear? Next term is linear expressions. Expressions: highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. If in any algebraic expression the highest power is 1, then this is known as linear expression. If the highest power is 1, for example, see here, this is algebraic expression, and here the variable is x and its power is 1. So this is linear equation, linear expression. Okay, in another, see, 2x plus 1, there is variable x and power of this variable is again 1, so it is also linear expression. Another here variable is, take it another example, 3y minus 7. Here the variable is y and power of this variable is 1, so that is also linear expression. Next is 12 minus 5z. Here the variable is z and the power of this z is 1, so this is also linear expression, etc. All are the example of linear expressions. See, these are not linear expressions. Which one? X square plus 1, because there the variable x power is 2, but we know that in linear expression the power of the variable is 1, so that's why it is not linear expression. In the second part, y plus y square, in the second part, y plus y square, the power of the variables are y and the highest power of the variable is 2, so that's why it is not linear, because power should be 1. In this, highest power is 3, but highest power in case of linear expression should be 1, so all these are not linear expression, since highest power of the variable are greater than 1, that is why they are not linear expression. Okay, so linear expression are those which have power is, highest power is 1. Next is algebraic equation. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It has an equality sign. Expression on the left hand side is the left hand side, and expression on the right hand side is the right hand side. But he said that algebraic equation would be like this. Here variable, an algebraic expression is given to you, and an equality symbol is also given to you. Okay, equality, see, this is the sign of equality, and this total is equation, algebraic equation, because algebraic equation is an expression with equality sign. Okay, expression is 2x minus 3 and there is used equality symbol this, so this will become equation. x is variable here. It is written as that x is variable here. This is equal to is known as equality, and this total will become equation. On the left hand side, 2x minus 3, this is left hand side, and this is right hand side, and it is left hand side. Okay, so this is algebraic equation. Algebraic equation is an expression with equality sign. Okay, let's begin with our exercise 2.1. In this we have to find out the variables. So let us move. Our first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. You have to find out the value x. So the value which you have to find is taken on the left hand side or right hand side. I will take this on the left hand side, and the value of and all other values are taken on the right hand side. Let x is written on the left hand side, and this minus 2 will become, when it turns to the right hand side, it will become plus 2. 7 as it is already there, and this minus 2 here will become plus 2. So x is equal to 9. So your answer is 9. Okay, I hope it is clear. You already know that minus, when comes to the right hand side, it will change into plus, and plus will change it into negative. Multiplication changes into division, and division changes into multiplication. So move to the question number 2. See, 5 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now taking y on the left hand side, and this plus 3 will become minus 3. 10 is already there, this plus 3 will become minus 3. So 10 minus 3 will become 7, and y is equal to 7 is your answer. Question number 3. 6 is equal to z plus 2. You will write 6 on the left hand side. This plus 2 will become minus 2 and is equal to z. 6 is already there, z plus 2. So you will take 6 as it is here, equal to, sorry, 6, you will write 6 is equal to 6 is equal to, we will write 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 is already there, this plus 2 will become minus 2 here, and here left z only. Okay, so it will become 4. So z is equal to 4 will be your answer. In question number 4, question number 4 we will do in the last. Question number 5, see, 6x is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. You have to find out the value of x. So you will get x, write x here. 12 is already there. This 6 is in multiplication, so here it is changing into division. So after cancelling you will get 2. So x is equal to 2. Next question is t by 5 is equal to 10. T by 5 is equal to 10. You have to find out the value of t. So you will write t is equal to 10 into 5. Your answer is t is equal to 50. So this is your answer. Question number 7. 2x by 3. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. You have to find out the value of x. So you will write 2x is equal to, this 3 is in division. 18 is already there. This 3 is in division. It will change here into multiplication. So you will get 2x is equal to 54. You will get 2x is equal to 54. Now 2 is in multiplication here. So it will, 2 is multiplication here. So it will change into division. X is already there. 54 is already there. This 2 is changing into division, and you will get x is equal to 27. This will be your answer. Next is question number 8. 1.6. See question number 8. 1.6 is equal to y. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. We have to find out the variable y. So 1.6 is already there, into this 1.5 is in division. Here it will change into multiplication. 1.6 is already there. This will change into multiplication. So 1.6 into 1.5 you will is equal to y, and after multiplication you will get 2.4. After multiplication, how will you solve it? You will solve it. 1.6 will become 10 into when you remove point here, you will divide it by 10. So after changing 5 into 3, and 5 2s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So 8 into 3 will become 24 upon 10. After removing decimal, you will get 2.4. So y is equal to 2.4. Question number 9. 7x is equal to 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. You have to find out the variable x. So you will write 7x is equal to, this minus 9 will change into plus 9. So 16 plus 9 will become 25. Now this 7x is equal to 25. This 7x is equal to 25. This 7 is in multiplication. So here it will changing into 25 by 7. So this will be your answer. In question number 10, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. You will write 14y. This minus 8 will changing here into plus 8. So 13 plus 8 will become 21. And this 14 is in division. So here, this 14 here is in multiplication. So it will change into division here. You will change 7 into 3, 21, and 7 into 2, 14. So it will become 3 by 2. So y is equal to 3 by 2 is your answer. Next question is question number 11. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. You see that this 17, this 17 is as it is. This plus 9 will become minus 9 here. And this plus 6 pi, when you taken it here, it will taken it on the right hand side, it will become minus 6p. 9 is taken on the left hand side and this is taken on the right hand side. You will have to change variables on the one side and constant on the one side. You can take it on any side. You can take variable one side, so you can take it on the left hand side, or you can take it on right hand side. Separate variables, take it one side variables and other side constant. So I have taken variable on the right hand side and taken constant on the left hand side. So 17 minus 9 will give you 8 and minus 6p. So you see that where 6 is in multiplication here, so it will changing into you will see that minus p is equal to, this is 8 is equal to minus 6p. Okay, this minus 6 is in multiplication with p, so it will change into division here. You see here becomes left minus p. After changing you will get 4 by 3. Now this minus 1, this minus p is written as minus 1 into p. So this minus 1 is in multiplication, so it will here comes into division. It will become 4 upon minus 3. It will become 4, it will become, see, 4 upon minus 3 is equal to p, and this minus can be taken on the upper side. You will write minus 4 upon 3 is equal to p. So this will be your answer. Okay, in question number 12, see, question number 12, I will solve it here, that it will become x by 3 is equal to 7. X by 3, I will solve it here. X by 3, x by 3 is equal to 7 upon 15. This plus 1 will changing into minus 1. Here is, I can write 1 also in denominator. After taking LCM and solving, you will taking 1 and 15. LCM is 15. Dividing 15 by 15, you will get 1. So 1 is multiplied over 7. You get 7 minus add this. Now 1 is divided by 15. You will get 15. So 15 into 1 you will get 15. So your answer will be minus 8 upon 15. Okay, after solving these two, and you see that it is x by 3 is equal to, I will write it here again, x by 3, x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. Now 3 is in division. In the next step it will changing into multiplication. 15 into 3. In the next step 3 is removed here, so it will changing into 8 by 5. So it result is minus 8 by 5. So you will see that your here your result will be minus 8 by 5. This is your answer. And question number 14, 4. 4 is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. How will you solve it? 3 by c 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. You have to find out the value of x, so you will write x here, and this 17 by 7 minus 3 plus by 7 is here is of positive, so here it will changing into minus 3 by 7. After taking LCM you will get 7 and after solving you will get 7 minus 3. It will become 14 upon 7. X is equal to 14 upon 7, it will become 2. So you will get x is equal to 2 here. So from this, from here, the result of this question, x is equal to 2. Okay. Now there are some questions that you have to perform, you have to do yourself. First one is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Here you see 2x is written on the left hand side, and this 7 minus 3 will become plus 3, and x is equal to 10 upon 2. This 2 is in division. So you will get x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 will be your answer. In the B part, 2y plus 9. 2y is equal to 4 already there. Plus 9 will become minus 9. You see 2y is equal to plus minus minus 9 5, and sign is a greater value, so y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. This will be your answer. In the third part you see x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So you will solve it by x. I will write that x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So you will write x by 3 as it is, and minus 3 by 2 as it is here. This plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. After taking LCM and solving this expression, you will get minus 8 by 2, and it will become minus 4. So after solving these expressions, you will get x by 3 is equal to minus 4, and this 3 is in division, so it will changing into multiplication here into multiplication, and the result will be minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12 will be your answer. In the last part, 15 by 4 minus 7, you can take this is minus 7, so if you take it on the right hand side it will become plus. So you will write it here 15. You can do 15 by 4. This plus 9 will become into minus 9 whenever you take it on the left hand side, and it will changing into right hand side, so it will become 7x. After taking LCM and solving, you will get 4. It will become 15 minus 9, uh, sorry 1 4. It will become 15 minus 36. 15 minus 36. So it will become minus 21 upon 4 is equal to 7x is already there. This 7 is in multiplication, so it will changing into 21 by 4, changing here into division. Okay, and here is equal to x. So after you get minus 3 by 4. After cancelling 7 into 7 to 21, you will get 3. So it will become minus 3 by 4. Minus sign is already there. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4 is your answer. So you see that x is equal to minus 3 by 4. You can verify your answers also. How to verify, I will just show in one question. You can also verify. For example, if in question number 1 you get your x is equal to 9, you will put this x answer into this equation, and if the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then you see that your solution is right. For example, if I put you know that your answer is x is equal to in this question x is equal to 9, you got your solution. If you put x is equal to 9 in this equation, you see 9 minus, you see that 9 minus 9 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 is already there, and you see 9 minus 2 is 7, and 7 is already, you see left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore your x is equal to 9 is correct. You can also verify. I also see in this question also y is equal to 7 is your answer, so put y is equal to 7 in the original equation, and original equation is this y plus 3. So you will put y is equal to 7 here, this y is equal to 7 here. You see 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 is given, and you know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, so 10 is equal to 10, and this left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore y is equal to 7 is correct. In this part also, you see your answer is z is equal to 4, so you putting 4 here, you see you will 6 already given. If you put z is equal to 4, you will see it is also 6, so this left hand side will become right hand side, therefore z is equal to 4 is correct. Okay, in the similar way you can put x is equal to 2 here, x is equal to 2 in your in your question, and you see that your answer is correct. 6 into 2, if you put x is equal to 2 here, you will get 12, and left hand side is equal to right hand side will come, therefore it is correct. So you can verify your results also. You in your notebook you have to verify also. Okay, that's all about exercise 2.1. In the next coming session, in the next coming day, we will discuss exercise 2.2. So just practice this exercise, it is very easy. Thank you.